Magandang araw sa ating mga mag-aaral mula sa Senior High School. Sa araw na ito ay ating pag-aaralan ang operations on functions. Tara, mag-umpisa na tayo. At the end of the lesson, the learner is able to perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and composition of functions. Mag-uumpisa tayo sa unang operation na walang iba kundi ang addition. Addition of functions. Let f and g be functions. Their sum, denoted by this symbol f plus g, is the function defined by f plus g of x equals f of x plus g of x. Para sa buong video na to, mayroon tayong given na 5 functions. They are f, g, h, s, and t. F of x equals x squared minus 3x minus 40, g of x equals x minus 8, h of x equals negative 2x minus 10, s of x equals square root of x, and t of x equals 4. Number 1, g plus h of x. So alam nating lahat na base sa definition, this is just equal to g of x plus h of x. Okay? Ano ba ang g of x? Ang g of x ay x minus 8. So, isa-substitute lang natin. Plus h of x. h of x is negative 2x minus 10. And then, combine similar terms. So, we have x and negative 2x is equal to negative x, then negative 8 plus negative 10 is equal to negative 18. Therefore, g plus h of x is equal to negative x minus 18. Number 2, we have s plus t of x. So again, according to the definition of addition of functions, this is just equal to the sum of s of x and t of x. Right? Ano ba ang s of x? Ang s of x natin ay square root of x. While ang t of x naman natin ay 4. So 4 is a constant while square root of x is a radical. So hindi sila similar terms. Therefore, hindi natin sila pwedeng mapagsama in just one term. Therefore, s plus t of x is just equal to the square root of x plus 4. Number 3, f plus t of x. So by definition of the addition of functions, ito ay equal sa f of x plus t of x. Sa given, ano ba ang f of x? Ang f of x ay equal sa x squared minus 3x minus 40. Tama ba? And then, i-add mo yan sa t of x which is equal to 4. Okay? Combine similar terms. Iko-combine natin yung dalawang constants. The rest, we will just copy. So we have x squared minus 3x negative 40 plus 4 is equal to negative 36. Therefore, f plus t of x is equal to x squared minus 3x minus 36. For our last example for addition, we have f plus t of 6. Okay? So take note na na-compute na natin kanina yung f plus t of x. Sulat natin. So we have f plus t of x is equal to x squared minus 3x minus 36. Para makuha natin ang f plus t of 6, isa-substitute lang natin ang 6 sa ating mga x. Six times 6 is 36. 3 times 6 is negative 18. And then, minus 36. pwede natin cancelin ang positive 36 at negative 36. Therefore, the answer is negative 18. Okay? So we have f plus t of 6 is equal to negative 18. We now have the second operation, subtraction of functions. Let f and g be functions. Their difference, denoted by the symbol f minus g, is the function defined by f minus g of x equals f of x minus g of x. Okay, so let us consider some examples. Number 1, g minus f of x. By the definition of subtraction of functions, this is equal to g of x minus f of x. But what is g of x? Ang g of x natin ay x minus 8. And then, what is your f? F is x squared minus 3x minus 40. Copy x minus 8. Ngayon, dahil may minus sign tayo dito, lahat ng terms sa loob ng parentheses ay magbabago ng sign. Inuulit ko, lahat ng terms inside the parentheses will change their sign. So what will happen? We have negative x squared plus 3x plus 40. Okay? Ang x squared ay naging negative, ang negative 3x ay naging positive, ang negative 40 ay naging positive. Now, we are ready to combine similar terms. Ang negative x squared ay i-bring down lang natin. X plus 3x is equal to 4x. And finally, yung ating mga constants, negative 8 plus 40, that is just equal to 32. Therefore, g minus f of x is equal to negative x squared plus 4x plus 32. Okay? Number 2. Paano naman pag binaligtad natin? Sa number 1, ang given ay g minus f. Sa number 2, we have f minus g. So again, this is just equal to f of x minus g of x. F of x is equal to x squared minus 3x minus 40, while g of x is equal to x minus 8. Same procedure. Bring down mo lang yung unang function. And then, yung mga terms sa pangalawang function ay magbabago ng sign. So it becomes negative x plus 8. Okay? Bring down x squared. Negative 3x minus x is equal to negative 4x. And then negative 40 plus 8 is equal to negative 32. Take note na ang sagot natin sa number 2 ay ang negative ng number 1. Okay? Ibig sabihin, ang g minus f of x ay hindi equal sa f minus g of x. So for number 2, f minus g of x is equal to x squared minus 4x minus 32. Number 3, we are given f minus s of x. This is just equal to f of x minus s of x. Ano ba ang f of x natin? Yes, tama kayo. We have x squared minus 3x minus 40. How about s of x? That is equal to the square root of x. So we bring down f of x, x squared minus 3x minus 40. Again, magpapalit ng sign ang nasa loob ng parentheses. So positive square root of x becomes negative square root of x. So I want you to look dito sa ating apat na terms. Kung mapapansin ninyo, walang similar terms. Therefore, wala na tayong pwedeng mapagsama sa kanilang apat. i-rearrange na lang natin sila. So we have x squared minus 3x minus square root of x minus 40. Therefore, f minus s of x is equal to x squared minus 3x minus the square root of x minus 40. Number 4, f minus s of 9. Take note na nasolve na natin sa number 3 ang f minus s of x. At equal yan sa x squared minus 3x minus square root of x minus 40. Diba? Kaya ang gagawin na lang natin ngayon ay isubstitute ang 9 doon sa ating mga x. So we have 9 squared minus 3 times 9 minus square root of 9 minus 40. 9 squared is equal to 81. 3 times 9 is equal to 27. Square root of 9 is 3. Then copy negative 40. 81 minus 27 minus 3 minus 40 will give you positive 11. Therefore, f minus s of 9 is equal to 11. Pumunta naman tayo ngayon sa pangatlong operation. We have multiplication of functions. Let f and g be functions. Their product, denoted by this symbol, is the function defined by f times g of x is equal to f of x times g of x. Okay? Let us now consider some examples. Number 1, we have g times t of x. By definition, this is just equal to g of x times t of x. Pero ano ba ang g of x natin? We have x minus 8. Ano ang ating t of x? T of x is just equal to 4. So we have x minus 8 times 4. I-distribute lang natin yung 4 sa x minus 8. So we have 4x minus 32. Therefore, g times t of x is equal to 4x minus 32. Number 2, t times h of x is equal to, tama, t of x times h of x. Again, isa-substitute lang natin. So what is our t of x? That is equal to 4. Okay? Times h of x, which is negative 2x minus 10. 4 times negative 2x is negative 8x, while 4 times negative 10 is equal to negative 40. Therefore, t times h of x is equal to negative 8x minus 40. Number 3, f times h of x, ito ay equal sa, tama, f of x times h of x. But what is f of x? F of x is x squared minus 3x minus 40. What is h of x? H of x is equal to negative 2x minus 10. Okay? So, kailangan nating i-multiply itong trinomial na x squared minus 3x minus 40 sa binomial na negative 2x minus 10. Gawa muna tayo ng scratch. So, we have x squared minus 3x minus 40 multiplied by negative 2x minus 10. Negative 10 times negative 40, that is equal to negative 400, right? Negative 10 times negative 3x is equal to positive 30x. Negative 10 times x squared is equal to negative 10 x squared. Okay? Dito na tayo sa negative 2x. Negative 2x times negative 40 is equal to positive 80x. Negative 2x times negative 3x is equal to positive 6x squared. Negative 2x times x squared is equal to negative 2x cubed. And then, i-add lang natin. So, we have 400. Positive 110x. Negative 4x squared. Bring down negative 2x cubed. Therefore, the product of f and h is equal to negative 2x cubed minus 4x squared plus 110x plus 400. Okay, so let us now box the final answer. Number 4, f times h of negative 1. Take note na nasolve na natin sa number 3 ang f times h of x. And this is just equal to negative 2x cubed minus 4x squared plus 110x plus 400. Okay? So, papalitan lang natin ang ating mga x ng negative 1. So, we have negative 2 times negative 1 cubed minus 4 times negative 1 squared plus 110 times negative 1 plus 400. Do you follow? Very good. So, we have negative 2. Negative 1 raised to 3 is equal to negative 1. Negative 1 squared is equal to positive 1. 110 times negative 1 is negative 110. And then we have positive 400. So, negative 2 times negative 1 is positive 2. Negative 4 times 1 is negative 4. And then copy negative 110 plus 400. So, we have 2 minus 4 minus 110 plus 400. So, we have 288. Okay, therefore, f times h of negative 1 is equal to positive 288. Pumunta naman tayo ngayon sa division of functions. Let f and g be functions. Their quotient, denoted by this symbol f over g, is the function denoted by f over g of x is equal to f of x over g of x, excluding the values of x where g of x equals 0. Kasi pag ang g of x natin ay equal sa 0, ang buong function natin ay magiging undefined. Okay? Let us consider some examples. Number 1, f over g of x. So again, following the definition, we have f of x over g of x. Isa-substitute natin ang f at ang g. So we have x squared minus 3x minus 40 over ang g of x naman natin ay x minus 8. Ang x squared minus 3x minus 40 ay pwede nating i-factor. Okay? That is just equal to x minus 8 times x plus 5. Tama ba? Over x minus 8. So nakikita ninyo na meron tayong pwedeng makancel. So ang matitira na lang is x plus 5. Okay? Therefore, f over g of x is equal to x plus 5. Number 2. H over t of 0. So again, this is just equal to h of 0 over t of 0. So what is h of 0? Ang h natin ay negative 2x minus 10. Ibig sabihin, papalitan natin ang x ng 0. Okay? over what is our t of x? T of x is equal to 4. Take note that it is a constant function. Therefore, kahit anong value ng x, 4 pa rin ang makukuhang value ng function. Okay? Kapag sinolve natin to, we will get 0 minus 10 over 4, which is equal to negative 10 over 4, which is further equal to negative 5 over 2. Therefore, h over t of 0 is equal to negative 5 halves. Number 3, we have h over f of x. So that is equal to h of x over f of x. Ano ba ang ating h of x? Ang h of x natin ay negative 2x minus 10. Tama? At ang ating f of x naman ay x squared minus 3x minus 40. Ang ating numerator na negative 2x minus 10 ay pwede pa nating ma-factor. We will factor out negative 2, kaya ang matitira sa loob ay x plus 5. Check nga natin. Negative 2 times x is negative 2x. Negative 2 times positive 5 is negative 10. Okay. And then, factor x squared minus 3x minus 40. That is just equal to x minus 8 times x plus 5. Okay? So again, we can cancel out x plus 5. So ang matitira is negative 2 over x minus 8. Therefore, h over x of x is equal to negative 2 over x minus 8. Finally, for number 4, we have h over f of 0. So take note, again, na-solve na natin ang h over f of x doon sa ating number 3. And this is equal to negative 2 over x minus 8. Tama ba? So para makuha ang number 4 na h over f of 0, isa-substitute lang natin ang 0 doon sa x. Okay? So we have negative 2. So 0 minus 8 is negative 8. Okay? So negative divided by negative is positive. Makakancel ang 2 at saka 8. We will have positive 1/4. Therefore, h over f of 0 is 1/4. Okay. Tapos na tayo sa addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. We now come to the last operation, which is what we call composition of functions. Okay? Let f and g be functions. The composite function denoted by f circle g is defined by f circle g of x is equal to f of g of x. The process of obtaining a composite function is called a function composition. Kung titingnan natin mabuti, yung g of x mo ay nakapaloob doon sa ating f. Kaya nga siya tinawag na composition function dahil ang isang function ay naglalaman ng isa pang function. Okay? Let us consider some examples. Number 1, we have f circle t of x. So by the definition of composition of functions, this is equal to f of t of x. Okay? Ibig sabihin yan, yung t of x natin ay ipapaloob natin doon kay f. Ano ba ang f? Ang f natin ay x squared minus 3x minus 40. Lahat ng x doon sa f ay papalitan natin ng t of x, which in this case is 4. So it will become 4 squared minus 3 times 4 minus 40. Again, lahat ng mga x natin dito kay f ay pinalitan natin ng 4. Okay? Continuing, we have 16 minus 12 minus 40. 16 minus 12 minus 40 is equal to negative 36. Therefore, f circle t of x is equal to negative 36. Alright? Number 2, we have h circle g of x. So again, by the definition of composition of functions, this is equal to h of g of x. Ano ang ating h of x? We have negative 2x minus 10. Okay? So instead of writing negative 2x minus 10, yung x natin ay papalitan natin ng g of x, which in this case is x minus 8. Okay? Of course, wag natin kalimutan yung minus 10. Okay, so we have negative 2 times x minus 8 minus 10. Yung g mo na x minus 8 ay sinubstitute mo doon kay h. Okay? So we have negative 2 times x is equal to negative 2x. Negative 2 times negative 8 is positive 16, and then copy minus 10. So we have negative 2x plus 6. Therefore, h circle g of x is equal to negative 2x plus 6. Okay? Let's move on to number 3. We are given h circle f of negative 2/3. Para masagutan natin yan, kunin muna natin ang h circle f of x. Okay? Okay. So, ang gagawin natin, isa-substitute natin ang f of x doon sa ating h. Ano ba ang h? Ang h natin ay negative 2x minus 10. Instead of writing x, papalitan natin yung x ng ating f of x, which is x squared minus 3x minus 40. Of course, huwag kalimutan yung negative 10. Okay? Distribute negative 2 doon sa mga terms na nasa loob ng parentheses. So we have negative 2x squared. Negative 2 times negative 3x is positive 6x. Negative 2 times negative 40 is positive 80. And then copy minus 10. So kukopyahin lang natin yung negative 2x squared, 6x, and then 80 plus 10 is equal to 70. So therefore, h circle f of x is equal to negative 2x squared plus 6x plus 70. Now, we are ready to get h circle f of negative 2/3. So, isa-substitute lang natin siya doon sa ating mga x. Okay? And we have, so negative 2/3 squared is equal to positive 4 over 9. 6 and 3, magkakancel sila, no? So, ang matitira is 2. So, we have negative 4 plus 70. Okay? Okay? So, kapag kinumbay natin ang mga terms na yan, we will get 586 over 9. Number 4, we have h circle h of 1/2. Yes, pwede yan, na ang isang function ang magko-compose sa kanya ay ang sarili niya. So again, isolve muna natin ang h circle h of x. What is h of x? H of x is negative 2x minus 10. So negative 2, tapos yung x niya is magiging sarili niya, which is negative 2x minus 10. Okay? So, ito yung kanyang x na naging negative 2x minus 10. So, distribute. So, we have positive 4x plus 20 minus 10. So, we have 4x plus 10. Okay? Now, we are ready to get h circle h of 1/2. So, just substitute 1/2 to x So 4 times 1/2 is 2. Therefore, our answer is 12. Okay? So let me just box the answer in number 3. Okay, there you go. We are done discussing addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and composition of functions.